Automation made easy, or is it? IFTTT and Tray.io are two giants in the world of workflow automation, but which one really delivers? On one side, we've got IFTTT famous for its simplicity and broad integration. On the other, there's Tray.io known for its power and flexibility. Today we'll test them in real-world scenarios that actually matter: setup, integration options, flexibility, pricing, ease of use, customer support, and more. Forget the marketing hype. Let's see how they actually perform when you need results. Each category gets its own score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. And trust me, the final verdict might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, let's map out what we're actually comparing, just to keep things super organized. So we're looking at price, power, and flexibility, integrations, ease of use, and enterprise features. It's like a full 360 on both tools, so you won't miss anything important. Alright, let's talk price. So IFTTT, it's actually super generous with its free tier, and their paid plans won't totally make your wallet cry. If you're just dabbling or automating small things, you're probably covered. Now, Tray.io, oh man, this one's got that enterprise pedigree, but honestly, it kind of comes at a premium. There's no real free pathway for more complex stuff, so if you're solo or not a business, that price tag might sting a bit. So yeah, when it comes to affordability, IFTTT definitely takes this one. Next up, power and flexibility. If you want something dead simple, IFTTT is fabulous. Think connecting your smart lights to, I don't know, the weather forecast. But want to do custom scripting, 3-step logic, and just go nuts with data? Tray.io is your playground. Like, it's honestly on another level for advanced automation. Way more control, more logic branching, the works. Just be ready for a steeper learning curve. Now, integrations. This is actually a fun one because, both kind of crush it here. IFTTT's got hundreds of popular services you can just click into, while Tray.io offers business-grade and custom connectors too. The main difference? Setting up Tray.io can be a bit of a process, but you get more power if you're willing to put the work in. So honestly, I'd call this one a tie. They're both strong, just depends on what you want. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? IFTTT actually stands for if this then that. That basically tells you everything about how simple and straightforward it's supposed to be. Okay, ease of use is honestly where IFTTT just shines. It's drag and drop, you don't need to touch a line of code, anyone's grandma could link up a coffee pot to their Google Calendar. Tray.io's visual builder is nice, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely tailored to folks with at least a little technical confidence. If you're a total beginner, it might feel, well, kind of intimidating. Last but not least, let's talk enterprise features. So IFTTT's got your basics covered, great for home or personal use, but if you're thinking about security layers, role-based access, things like audit trails, yeah, Tray.io is packing the big guns. It's super scalable, comes with all the controls a business would want, but don't expect that without an enterprise-level plan. So, big picture time. If you look at how both these tools rack up across price, flexibility, integrations, user-friendliness, and those beefy enterprise features, it's pretty obvious. They each have their sweet spot. So here's my take. If you're just getting started, want quick automations, or honestly just don't want to think too hard about it, IFTTT is almost perfect. But if you want deep customization, advanced business workflows, or you're working with a big team, Tray.io is where it's at. It's a bit niche because it is built for people who really need that power. Find this comparison useful? Hit subscribe for more no-nonsense tech breakdowns like this. Trust me, there's plenty more where that came from.